Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Honda CR-V. First, let's prepare. Gather all your necessary tools, such as a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and fresh engine oil. It's best to perform this task when the engine is warm, but not hot, to ensure the oil drains efficiently. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, which is typically found at the bottom of the engine. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Using your wrench, gently remove the drain plug. Allow ample time, usually about 10 to 15 minutes, for all the old oil to completely drain out into the pan. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then reinsert the drain plug, ensuring it is snug but not over-tightened to prevent leaks. Finally, let's add the fresh oil and perform some crucial checks. Refer to your Honda CR-V's owner's manual for the precise oil type and the exact capacity, which is often around 4.5 to 5 quarts. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. After a few minutes, check the oil level using the dipstick and visually inspect for any signs of leaks around the new filter and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.